Today our video is about split inverter AC E5 error code. The E5 error code on a PL inverter AC typically indicates a problem with the indoor unit's temperature sensor. Here are some possible causes and solutions. Number 1, temperature sensor issue asterisk. Check if the temperature sensor is faulty or damaged. Try cleaning or replacing it if necessary. Number 2, wiring problem. Inspect the wiring connections between the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Ensure they are secure and not damaged. Number 3, communication error. Restart the AC by switching it off, waiting for 30 seconds, and then switching it back on. This may resolve any communication issues between the indoor and outdoor units. If none of these solutions work, it's recommended to contact a professional HVAC technician or PL's customer support for further assistance.